This trick was taught to me by a cook, and you won't believe how well it works. I was surprised, and I don't think you've seen this technique anywhere else. You'll go crazy when you get to know it. I don't know if you're like me, but when it comes to cooking, I like to make the most of my time. And precisely one of the things that consumes the most time is peeling potatoes. Many people peel them this way using a grater, but it's a headache. Other people peel them using a knife, but this method also takes a long time. Today, I will teach you the fastest and most effective method to peel the potatoes you have seen. And all this without the need for much effort. So pay close attention, because now I will teach you the trick. The first thing you have to do is take a pot or pan and fill it with water. Then take it to the stove and put it to heat as usual. Next, grab the amount of potato you want to peel, and with the help of a knife, you are going to make a small round cut to the potato just in the middle. The cut should not be too deep, nor too superficial. Maybe you don't understand now why I do this, but later you will know why this method is the best. I will do the same with a second potato. I would like to know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a greeting in my next videos. Now I will take both potatoes and immerse them in the pot boiling until they are cooked. It's been a while and my potatoes are already cooked. Now I will show you the trick. First, make sure to drain the water. The next thing is to add very cold water to cool the potato. The change in temperature will make the peels loosen. Once this is done, remove the cold water and proceed to peel your potatoes. You will realize that by doing this, you will not only peel the potatoes, you will realize that you can remove the peels quickly. And the best thing about this method is that you will take advantage of 100% of the potato mass, because you will only be removing its peel, which is very thin. And you will also be taking advantage of all the nutrients of the potato, since when you remove the peels before cooking them, many nutrients are lost. This is something that you will not be able to achieve using the other methods. Since I learned this, I do not do it another way. From today, you will never peel potatoes the same way again. If you got here, leave me the phrase, "I do not peel potatoes again." So I will know that you saw all the content.
Contenido.